Sino man yung beneficiary mo in your life insurance policy, hindi siya mako-cover ng insurance coverage na meron ka. Hi, my name is Bea and I am a licensed insurance advisor, and this is one concern na natanong sa akin last week ng isa kong existing client who got a critical illness plan with us this year, and unfortunately, yung mother kasi niya na-diagnose ng critical illness. Yung mother niyang ito has been elected as one of his beneficiaries doon nga sa plan na kinuha niya. And now, his concern is, makakapag-claim ba kami given na yung mother niya yung na-diagnose? The answer to this is no, because ang kino-cover lang nung insurance benefits or nung insurance coverage is the person insured. So having said this, ano bang purpose ng pagkakaroon ng beneficiary sa life insurance policy kung ganito lang din yung mangyayari? So once again, ang purpose ng beneficiary, sila yung mga tao na makakakuha ng death benefit just in case na mag-pass away yung person insured. Because even for critical illness insurance plans, at the end of the day, meron pa rin yung life insurance component. And again, when we say life insurance, dito tayo makakakuha ng pera kung sakali na mag-pass away yung insured person. I think nagkakaroon ng certain confusion because in HMOs, we have what we call dependents, diba? Wherein, yung mga dependents na to, entitled din sila sa HMO coverage. But let us be a reminder that in life insurance plans po, it works differently. The beneficiaries are not entitled to this coverage.